Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
The Shopee bot automates routine chat tasks so you can sell faster and focus. It answers common buyer questions automatically and reduces repetitive typing by up to 80%. Activate the bot in Seller Center through the chat settings menu in 3 steps. You will grant chat permissions, choose templates, and schedule working hours. The bot runs 24 hours if you enable round-the-clock mode. It integrates with quick replies and product links for fast responses. Open Seller Center and go to Chat Settings to start setup. Enable Auto Reply, grant permissions, and save changes in 3 steps. Create message templates that include product links, price, and shipping details for immediate answers. Use variables like product name and price to personalize replies automatically. Schedule working hours for the bot or choose round-the-clock mode to keep it active 24 hours. Test each template in a private chat before enabling it for all buyers. Monitor bot conversations daily and update templates based on real buyer feedback. Check missed questions and add new quick replies for frequently asked items like sizes. Use automated order follow-ups guiding buyers to track shipments or confirm orders. Set thresholds to escalate unknown queries to manual agents after a few messages. Turn off automation during peak manual times to avoid conflicts with promotions. Keep a concise tone and use product links and clear prices in every template.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.